Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the iconic Chevrolet Silverado 4x4, comparing the classic 1987 model with the current 2025 model. So whether you're a longtime fan of the Silverado or just curious about how this powerhouse has evolved over the years, you're in the right place. Let's start with the exterior. The 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 really reflects that rugged, traditional pickup truck design. The body lines are straightforward and boxy, with a large front grille, square headlights, and a prominent hood. The truck feels sturdy, and there's something about the older design that gives it that timeless, hard-working look. It's a true symbol of 80s truck culture built to last, built for utility. The chrome accents around the grille and bumpers give it a bit of flair, but it's still all about function. The wheels are solid, and the truck is built to endure off-road challenges. Fast forward to the 2025 model, and you can see a much more refined approach to design. While the Silverado still maintains that classic, tough look, there's a sleeker, more modern aesthetic. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, and you can expect LED lighting with sharp, angular shapes that give the truck a futuristic touch. The wheel arches are more pronounced, and the body lines have a more aerodynamic feel. The 2025 Silverado still stands tall, with a more high-tech vibe compared to its older counterpart, but it doesn't lose the rugged, no-nonsense character that's been its trademark for decades. Now, onto the interior. The 1987 Silverado's interior is all about simplicity. You've got the basics here: a large steering wheel, manual controls, and a lot of hard plastics. The seating is built for comfort, but feels utilitarian, and the dashboard layout is straightforward. It's a no-frills design that does its job without overcomplicating things. You're not going to find a bunch of high-tech screens or advanced features. Instead, it's all about driving experience and functionality. It's a cozy, almost nostalgic cabin with that classic 80s truck vibe. In contrast, the 2025 Silverado's interior is like stepping into the future. You've got a massive touchscreen display that controls almost everything, from climate control to navigation. The seats are plush and ergonomic, designed to make even the longest road trips comfortable. The dashboard is minimalistic but beautifully designed with a blend of premium materials like leather and soft touch plastics. The tech in the cabin is next level, with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system that makes parking this beast a breeze. The 2025 Silverado's cabin is a true luxury experience compared to the utilitarian feel of the 1987 model. When it comes to performance, the 1987 Silverado 4x4 is powered by a range of engines, from V6 to V8 options. It's a solid workhorse, delivering power when needed and equipped to handle off-road adventures thanks to its 4x4 drivetrain. It might not have the fancy tech or refined engine options of today's trucks, but that's part of its charm. The ride is firm, and while it can get a little rough around the edges, it's built to last, and it gets the job done whether you're hauling gear or cruising down a dirt road. Fast forward to the 2025 Silverado, and performance has reached new heights. Under the hood, you've got a range of engine options, including powerful V8s and even hybrid models, giving you better fuel efficiency while maintaining excellent towing and payload capacity. The 2025 Silverado 4x4 is a beast off-road, with advanced suspension systems that make even the most challenging terrains feel like a walk in the park. Whether you're going off-road or just cruising on the highway, the ride is smoother and more refined than ever, thanks to the improved technology and engineering. It's a truck that combines power, luxury, and capability in a way that the 1987 model could only dream of. And speaking of capability, both trucks are built for towing. The 1987 Silverado, with its solid construction, can tow a respectable amount, but the 2025 model has seen a major upgrade in towing capacity. With modern enhancements to the frame, engine, and suspension, the 2025 Silverado can tow some seriously heavy loads, and with added tech, you get a more controlled and stable towing experience. Now, let's talk about prices. The 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4, being a vintage vehicle, varies greatly depending on its condition. On average, you might find one priced anywhere from $5,000 and to $20,000, and depending on how well it's been maintained or restored. Of course, the lower-end models with more wear and tear will be on the cheaper side, while fully restored or well-kept versions could fetch a higher price. On the other hand, the 2025 Silverado 4x4 starts at around $40,000, and, with higher trims pushing that price upwards towards $60,000 and or more. The price can vary depending on the engine options, trim level, and any additional features or packages you select. But considering all the modern technology, luxury, and performance you're getting, it's still a great value for what it delivers. So, what's the takeaway? The 1987 Silverado 4x4 is a classic, no-nonsense pickup that's built for utility and rugged durability. It's a truck that's easy to love for its simplicity and vintage charm. The 2025 Silverado, on the other hand, is a much more refined and high-tech version of the truck. It's got modern features, better performance, and a much more luxurious feel, while still holding onto that classic Silverado spirit. Whether you're into classic trucks or you're looking for a more modern, capable pickup, both these models have something special to offer. The 1987 Silverado is a blast from the past, while the 2025 Silverado is a glimpse into the future of pickup trucks. Let me know in the comments which model you'd prefer and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.